why you prep. You prep it, whether you use it or not. This was planted 2 years ago. I don't water it. I don't mess with it. I don't have to. Look at the soil.
That's amazing.
I mean, just look at that.
I know.
And look at the ginger. Look at it. I mean, it's all over. And I planted it over here originally. I haven't messed with it. I haven't even harvested it. I got to come. Let me see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Is beautiful.
Oh. And look, survived 319 degree days. See it trying to look at this. I don't water this. Look, I keep it composted. Throw a little worm poop in there, so a few handfuls, not handfuls, throw a couple dozen worms in here once in a while, and look at that. I don't buy fertilizer. If it grows, it grows. If it don't, it don't. Without any chemicals, any fertilizer, anything else. Now, tell me you can buy that in the store.
Wow.
That's beautiful, isn't it? That is beautiful. And look at the color. And smell it. There, that's the test right there. And see, like I said, as cold as it's been, it's trying to bloom again. See the color?
Oh yeah.
I just keep it covered. I don't, like I said, I don't mess with it. Compost, worm compost, holds moisture. It's like peat moss. It'll just absorb water to it. It just swells up almost to bust. But that's why I don't buy the water. I've got it composted. I got it, the worm castings in there, and you see the results. Like, comment, and subscribe.